Citronella oil, derived from the leaves and stems of the citronella grass, is native to Asia and South America. The oil has a distinct citrus-like smell that is refreshing and invigorating. Due to this natural pest repellent effect, it is common in candles, sprays, lotions, and other products that keep pesky mosquitoes at bay. Citronella oil is indispensable in countless contexts due to its versatile nature, from camping trips to soothing spa experiences. So, if you're looking for a natural way to keep pests away while enjoying the benefits of an appealing scent and potential health support, incorporate citronella oil into your routine. Here are the best ways to repel pests with citronella oil. 1. Mosquitoes. While numerous methods can repel mosquitoes, citronella oil is an effective and natural option. Its natural composition and pleasant aroma sets it apart from other mosquito repellents, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer non-toxic solutions. It contains compounds like geraniol and citronellal that disrupt mosquitoes' sensory receptors, making it difficult for them to locate their prey. These compounds also interfere with the mosquito's ability to detect carbon dioxide and lactic acid, chemicals emitted by humans that attract mosquitoes. Research shows that citronella oil is a masking agent. It masks the scents of humans, making us less visible and attractive to these blood-sucking creatures. Some studies suggest that citronella oil has larvicidal properties, implying it can kill mosquito larvae. To use citronella oil to repel mosquitoes, add a few drops to a carrier oil or lotion and apply it to your skin. Alternatively, mix it with water in a spray bottle and spritz it around your patio or other outdoor areas. Next time you need a natural solution to keep those pesky mosquitoes away from your outdoor activities or indoor spaces, harness citronella oil for a bug-free experience. 2. Black flies. Black flies, aka gnats, are a common nuisance in many areas during the warmer months. These tiny insects may be small, but their painful bite and relentless swarming can ruin any outdoor activity. Unlike mosquitoes that are more active at dawn and dusk, black flies are daytime feeders and can buzz around throughout the day. Their presence is annoying, and they transmit river blindness to humans and livestock. Citronella oil is an effective way to repel black flies. It contains compounds that mask the scents that attract black flies, making it harder for them to locate their hosts. Applying citronella oil on exposed skin, or using citronella candles or diffusers, can create a protective barrier against these pesky pests. 3. Ants. While most people associate citronella oil with repelling mosquitoes and other insects, it is also effective against ants. The oil aroma masks the trail pheromones left by ants, disrupting their communication and navigation systems. Using a citronella diffuser or spraying it in areas with ants activity can keep ants out of your home. 4. Fleas. Fleas are tiny but persistent creatures that can turn your pet's fur into a battleground. While several methods can help repel these annoying pests, citronella oil is a natural solution that stands out. This oil repels fleas because it interferes with the insect's ability to detect carbon dioxide, which is how they locate their hosts. Masking your pet's scent with citronella's potent aroma can throw off those blood-sucking pests and keep them at bay. Dilute a few drops of citronella oil in water and spray it on your pet's coat, or apply it to their collar for protection. However, citronella oil doesn't just repel fleas, it has other benefits. It can soothe irritated skin from flea bites and prevent infection from scratching. Its fresh fragrance is a natural deodorizer, leaving your four-legged friend smelling great while keeping fleas away. Next time you spot those pesky fleas taking over your furry friend's space, use citronella to fight back. You'll protect your pet from these relentless critters and enjoy the soothing benefits of this versatile essential oil. 5. Ticks. Ticks are persistent little pests that can ruin any outdoor adventure. Not only can they cause annoying itchiness and discomfort, but they also carry dangerous diseases such as Lyme disease. Thankfully, citronella oil can help keep these bloodsuckers at bay. So what makes citronella oil so effective against ticks? The answer lies in its pungent aroma. Ticks rely heavily on their sense of smell to locate potential hosts, and the powerful scent of citronella oil can confuse and deter them from approaching humans or animals. When you apply the oil to the skin or clothing, the odor creates a barrier that keeps ticks at a distance. You'll need to use the oil properly to repel ticks. Dilute the essential oil with a carrier oil such as coconut or almond in a 1:10 ratio, 1 oil to 10 parts carrier. Apply this mixture onto exposed skin, covering areas where ticks can attach themselves such as ankles, wrists, and neck. You can also add a few drops of undiluted citronella oil onto fabric surfaces like socks or hats for an added layer of protection. 6. Cockroaches. Citronella oil is a versatile insect repellent that can keep cockroaches away. The strong scent is a natural repellent that confuses their senses and disrupts their navigation. Use citronella oil around your home to create an inhospitable environment for cockroaches and reduce the chances of an infestation. One way to utilize citronella oil as a cockroach repellent is to create a homemade spray. Mix a few drops of citronella oil with water in a spray bottle and apply it along baseboards, cracks, and other areas where roaches can hide. This method will repel existing cockroaches and prevent future invasions. Remember to reapply the spray periodically, especially after cleaning or when you notice increased roach activity in certain areas. 7. Rodents. The scent of citronella oil doesn't cause harm to these animals, but their instincts are to move away from something that doesn't smell good in its constant search for food. When such a strong odor is present, it's also much harder for the mouse to find that food, so it continues to move on. Some natural-based pest control products contain citronella in them, because it can also be helpful in reducing the appetite of these pests. The simplest way to benefit from citronella essential oil is to place a few drops into a spray bottle of water. Aim for 5 drops of essential oil to 8 ounces of water. Then, spritz any area you want to protect or any area where the pests are already living. Be careful about positioning this, as you don't want to encourage mice living outside of your home to move further into it because there's a strong scent blocking their exit. Another option is to use a citronella candle or essential oil diffuser. You can then place these in areas you wish to protect around the exterior of your home. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to deter pests using essential oils. Thanks for watching and bye for now.